If someone is struggling to get enough energy or nutrition from their diet, fortified milk can be a simple and effective option. To make fortified milk, you'll need 1 pint of whole milk and 4 tablespoons of skimmed milk powder. If you follow a plant-based diet, you can use an alternative such as soya milk with a plant-based protein powder. Start by making a paste with your skimmed milk powder and add in a small amount of milk. You can use a spoon or a fork to make the paste. I'm going to use a fork. Give this a good mix into the milk completely and get rid of any small lumps that are forming. Once you've made your paste, then you can add the rest of your milk. I've got my whisk and I'm going to whisk slowly as I'm adding the milk in to help mix it all and to make sure that any fine lumps are disappearing. Once it's ready, fortified milk can be used in hot drinks, on cereal, in porridge, custard, soup, or anywhere that you'd normally use milk. 1 pint a day can provide around 600 calories and 40 grams of protein, helping to support overall nutritional intake. It's great when everyday foods can provide everything you need, but if that's proving difficult, simple options like fortified milk can help fill the gap and support better nutrition. So, I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on living well at home.